It's going to be a really short video today. I'm just going to briefly explain what I want you to do, and then you can get on with it, basically. Okay, so we're going to be still working on ratios. I feel like we do need a bit more time on this topic. So here's a case study that we're going to be working with today. So we're going to try and apply these ratios to a real life situation. So we've got a case study here. I'm not going to read it. I'm not going to go through it right now. You can do that in your own time. It's relatively short. Okay. Again, the same questions. If you ask yourself just 3 questions, that's a starting point for context in this case. Okay, so what is the business? What do they sell? What industry they operate in? What is their market? Okay, by that I mean, is it premium? Is it mass? Is it niche? What kind of market is it in? Okay, what is their size? Are they growing? Are they shrinking? And then what's going well and what problems are they encountering? Okay, so have a read through this. It's about a 5-a-side organized football pitch. I don't know what we'd call it, sports facility. So have a read through, and then we've just got 2 questions. We've got some data, some financial data. Obviously it's ratios, so we need some financial data. And we've got 2 questions. Analyze the financial health of Goals PLC as shown in its accounts and compare to their rival Power League PLC. And secondly, evaluate whether the directors of Goals PLC would be right to move into the German market in the near future. Okay, so what I would do first off is calculate the 6 ratios. From this table, you can work out 6 ratios from this information. 6 for Goals and 6 for Power League PLC. I would maybe even insert a little table here, which you can do on the exam paper as well, where you're working out acid test ratio, current ratio, gearing ratio, ROCE, gross profit margin, and they've called it operating profit margin, operating profit, same as profit for the year. Okay, so I would start off by working all that out. So you're going to end up with 12 numbers, 12 numbers, some percentages, some decimals, and then have a comparison and a think and discuss what type of financial position is this business in. Okay, and then based on that, I'm going to make that 12. I think that's going to make a lot more sense. Then secondly, should they move into the German market? Okay, so I want some quantitative reasons, some qualitative reasons. Really think about your AO3 and your AO4, okay? I was starting to make an answer sheet, but then what I thought we'd do is just have a kind of a discussion and feedback, and I can talk us through the mark scheme and the kind of answers that I've come up with in Wednesday 2. So we'll have Google Meet Wednesday 2. Wednesday 3, I'm looking at my timetable wrong. Wednesday 3, and discuss this, see what problems you encountered, and talk about what would be some good analysis and some good evaluation, and also just check the numbers. Have you worked the numbers out correctly? Okay, so that's what I want you to do today, Tuesday, the 11th of February. Thank you.